Illicit economy is important in countries like Afghanistan, a war-affected country with protracted years of war, because it's basically one of the main sources of income for a lot of people. Secondly, when it comes to broader illicit economy, it has a very critical role in the everyday lives of all people. Whether people work with government, with security forces, with public services, or work with through the sort of private sector, or even the armed opposition, everyone is in one way or another either earning from this or are affected, or in some instances it's the both. We require evidence base in order to be able to think about ways in which we can change the war economy to peace economy. In this project, what happens is that we partner academics with development practitioners, with researchers on the ground, to gather the voices from the borderlands, to gather the views and perspectives from different communities who are affected directly from the impacts. Bringing those voices is one form or one way of basically finding a solution, because it's the people who are directly affected from the drugs and the illicit economy who can talk about the ways to get out of it. And this is particularly becoming more and more important because we have witnessed, at least in Afghanistan over the past 16 to 17 years, that the alternative livelihoods, the kind of different war on drug, for example, approaches, they have not been helpful. So the top-down approaches so far proved to be really a big failure. And now we are looking for something in between, where the voices from the borderland comes, but it is also processed and analyzed by academics who can also contribute to actually to something that can change people's lives.